Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3 3D. The official Creality Ender 3 3D is arguably the best printer under $200 because of its remarkable features and print quality. In addition, the printer is a free and open source project, which means that you can modify, upgrade, and tune the printer as much as you want. It also has a feature that allows you to continue printing even if the power goes out. And not only is the construction plate large, but it's also heated. This makes printing more manageable and allows you to use more rigid filament materials. And, of course, all the essentials are present for less challenging 3D printing operations. The printer features a heated build plate and a print volume of 220 by 220 x 250 mm. The bed also heats up to 110 degrees Celsius, which enables printing higher temperature materials like ABS on occasion. Number 2. Monoprice 15365 Select Mini 3D. The Monoprice 15365 Select Mini 3D is from a well-known brand, and it can give you excellent quality at an affordable price. This 3D printer has many valuable functions. It's meant for PC and desktop use and comes in a semi-enclosed profile with the exposed build partially concealed. Additionally, the print head and the printer are pre-assembled. Also, the unit is simple to set up. Also, the printer allows you to work with filaments other than ABS and PLA. Though the Monoprice is simple to use, it appears outdated in the digital age, which is dominated by touchscreens. Number 3. Voxelab Aquila X2 3D. The Voxelab Aquila X2 3D printer is a professional-grade printer with great precision. The carbon silicon crystal glass print bed on the Aquila X2 can be heated to 110 degrees in 5 minutes, and its high stickiness allows for outstanding first-layer printing, resulting in excellent print quality and easy model removal. Moreover, this 3D printer is easy to use and has been enhanced with several smart features to make it even more user-friendly. And manufacturers have added a filament identification sensor, which aids in increasing print success rates while reducing filament waste. So, the detector will raise the alarm and halt printing if the filament runs out or breaks. Number 4. COMGROW Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D. COMGROW Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D is an excellent printer for someone just getting started. That's because it's a straightforward machine that employs fused deposition modeling. In addition, it has a large print size, so you'll be able to do some more significant work with it. The printer also comes in pre-assembled sections, and it allows you to learn how a 3D printer works while assembling and setting it up for the first time, which is another reason the printer is suggested for beginners. Furthermore, the unit is compact, so you may store it on a desk or table. Its dimensions are 17.3 by 16.1 x 18.3 inches. It's small, light, and portable, weighing only 19 pounds. And it can also work with various filaments, including ABS, PLA, carbon fiber, and wood. Also, its accuracy is around 0.1 mm,